Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making use of a fabric, a stretchy fabric as well, like the last time you used, and whatever fabric you are going to be using, because of the pattern of this tutorial, should be a fabric that by the time you cut it, it won't fray. So that's what you're going to be using. But if you want to use there's a tutorial for the one that can fray, that you can easily manage, but for this one I am making use of. So we are going to go ahead and cut out our fabric. I'm just trying to manage the fabric. I don't want to waste it. So my fabric is folded into two. So for the width of it, I am marking at 9 inches, and then for the length of it, I am marking at 12 inches. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect all these lines that you see me marked. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if this is the first time of stopping by, and give us a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. So once I mark that, you see the way I am connecting this, that's how you're going to go ahead and connect yours with your free hand. So once I am done connecting this, I'm going to go ahead and cut out this piece that I just connected. Just look at it as I am cutting it so that it is clearer to you. So once I am done cutting it, this is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look. So we are going to go ahead and get our hand needle, and I'm going to be using our hand needle to gather this. Remember, this style is this is not just like on the title. We are making this without our sewing machine, so we are going to be doing this with our hand stitch. So you can see the way I am gathering it. That's how I'm going to gather it all the way from that starting point to around the semicircle to where it ends. So this is it. Once I am gotten to the end, I'm going to go ahead. So once I get to the end, I'm going to go ahead and bring the two plates together, and then I'm going to go ahead and stitch it down. So once I attach that place, I'll go ahead and secure that area with my hand needle as well. So this is it after I was done securing it, and we're going to go ahead and cut out this band. For the width of it, I have 2 inches, and then the length is 4 inches. We're going to use it to cover this area. So I'll stitch it at the up one, turn it inside, I'll fold it in, and then stitch it again. So we're going to go ahead and stitch this. So I'm also using our hand needle. If you have a glue gun, I think it's going to work at this point, just like it won't last because of the nature of the fabric. Remember, it's a stretchy fabric, so by the time your hair stretches this out, it's going to most likely going to pull out. So I'm going to stitch this down and also turn it to the right side, to the other side, and then stitch the other inside one. Try as you can to stitch neatly. So this is the band for our ruffle on it, and for the length of it I have about 46 inches, and then for the width I have about 1.5 inches. So just like we gather the head wrap, we're going to gather it this one as well, the same method. So once I stitched and I get to the end of it, I'll pull it out and then arrange my ruffle very well. So I'll go ahead and arrange my ruffle very well, and then I'll pull the thread to give it this nice round flower like ruffle. If you want it to be longer than this, please increase your measurement, but for me I just wanted a small something. I don't want it to be too busy. So I'll go ahead and stitch this down so that I will secure the two ends together, and this is what we have. So we are going to go ahead and attach it to this head wrap, and that's all for this style. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find value in it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed up to this moment, hit on the subscribe button and join the family. To my old subscribers, I say thank you very much for all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.